Today we're climbing with my good friends from Toronto, Ben and Jackie. Ben is my longtime training partner I've known since we were kids, and after he met Jackie, we all started training together. They're both crazy strong and are known for their impressive ascents outside. Today they're going to give me a masterclass on climbing crimpy, outdoorsy style boulders, and I'm going to do my best to keep up with them. The gym we're training at today is a brand new facility called the Boardroom and is an extension of Climbers Rock. The name speaks for itself, being a training-oriented gym featuring every type of board you could want. Every board is adjustable, including the spray wall, which we'll be climbing on today. Even the comp wall angle is adjustable, which is very cool and actually only the second of its kind I've come across. This place is an epic training gym that I'll be spending most of my time at while I'm in Ontario, and I definitely recommend checking it out. Okay, Jackie, so you're going to show us this first climb you've been making?
This one's called Sesh with Richardson Climbing.
Hey, very nice. You want to give us a little...
It's supposed to be a warm-up, but...
Jackie's warm-up is my project.
It's not a warm-up for me.
All right, let's see these holds. So yeah, this is the spray wall here in the boardroom. It's pretty crimpy, pretty outdoorsy style.
It's at 40 degrees right now.
Oh yeah?
And we're starting on this orange, really nice juggy pinch.
All right.
And then blue juggy foot. And then we get right into some bad holds. We get this little pink crimp.
Ew.
And then high feet, bicycle to this little red crimp.
That's pretty small, eh?
And then you get a foot over here, pretty good foot to do a rose move to this pinch right here.
All right.
And then jump to the blue crimpy rail over there. Go to the lower aphid, this really sharp.
Oh, we're climbing on aphids today? Oh no, I haven't touched one of those holds in so long. Okay, so you guys are gonna show me how to climb Ontario style, eh? All right, you gonna pull on? Nice. Very strong. Allez. Oh my goodness. Oh, good burn. Allez, Ben. Oh man. Allez, allez. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh man. Okay, these moonboard wizards are making these crimps look really good, but I feel like this is gonna go a lot differently for me. Okay, I'm ready to get schooled here. Which one?
This one.
Oh, man. Okay, okay. Well, I was able to hold on to these small holds for longer than I expected. Under? Do I have the thumb?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put a better attempt on next, knowing the holds.
Recce burn.
Recce burn. All right, Jackie's turn again. Let's see it. Man, these look like little finger jokes for her. Allez, allez. Ooh. So, Jackie, what classic Ben Angro tip do you have to use to stick that move, you think?
Moon punch.
Moon punch, yes. Get some momentum going. So, Jackie, tell us about the moon punch. How does it work?
Swing your arm back, swing it forward to generate momentum.
Nice.
When you don't have as many points of contact on the wall.
And why do we call it the moon punch?
Because it's named after the moon kick from the moon board, where you kick your leg back to generate momentum, but this time you're using your arms.
Pretty fun name if you ask me. Moon punch, allez, allez. Oh, very nice. Come on. Come on, fly. Woo. Yeah, so I have kind of like a couple little nagging finger things, especially with the extra finger training I'm doing. So it's hard for me to crimp right now. So I'm gonna try and drag all of these little in-cut micro crimps. I'm not gonna crimp anything. Oh, 3-finger bucket? Yes. No! Oh, I got a toe hook, held me back. Yeah, that's gonna be a big move for you, Jackie. Eh? All right, I'm gonna put one more attempt on this guy, send or die, and then we won't revisit it. Oh man, I gotta, do I have another foot? Okay. Which aphid? Oh no. I know. Dang it. Okay.
Send or die, forgets to read.
Send or die. Okay, I'm dead now. Jackie, show us the way.
Finally get paid for the get down. You can't tell me shit now about time. Do you know how many lines I done put down? Vibes I done sent out, but we ain't here to dig. I'll up the market till they come.
Come on, fly.
Success still the target. Soon I'll be crossing that bridge.
So good. Come on, come on. Yeah, let's go.
I got some people think
Finish
I
it.
favor barely know me. That's why my focus on the road is all I know.
Strong. Ale, ale, ale. Sick.
You like limit on.
That was sick. All right, that means we can move on, find another one. All right, looks like Ben's concocting a new project.
So, start here and here with this foot, very crunchy. This really cool slopey pinch thing. This slopey pinch thing, pink, on the purple, blue Gaston, and then a big jug simple top.
I came out stepping, I can't be doing things regular for you. I want the magic to last. I know how time try and ruin things. It get repetitive, got you tempted to doing things.
These guys and their crimps, man.
I
Ben. Oh, strong.
We got a fairy tale plan. That's gonna change up the order they sort the mail in. Plus I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not influenced by what they.
All right, Ben says he's done this one before, which is why he's cruising along.
I still get lost in the thought of doing so much.
I haven't done it before.
Oh, he's tried it before, okay.
You got it. Little move. There you go. Red mini jug. Yep. Red foot out to the right. Big pinch far out to the right. No higher one, pinch above it there. Yep. Green. Match that. Yeah, this is good. Then the blue on the volume, yeah. Pink undercling. Yep.
This is so hard.
Yeah, I tried it at the end of a session a while ago. It's like my endurance climb, but it feels easier now.
So you do this really deep Gaston and then go like that, and then you have foot match, hand foot match.
You're here, foot on the start.
Oh, and then bah. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
No. That's very, yeah. I guess like, but I'm so extended here. I know, but still. Yeah. Oh. But I guess I could like toe hook too. No. Oh. I know, on top. but still, it's kind of slopey. I'll try it from here. Oh, it's freaking blind. You got it, come on.
Yes, Zach, so good. Top of the fat lift.
It's so blind. V8 my ass.
Ew, I don't know what grades are.
He's gonna flex on us.
Oh my god.
Ew. You're gross.
It's insane. What do you grade this, like V7 or something?
V8. My booty. Oh, Ben, that's huge. All right. Okay.
You can do that, yeah. Yes, Jack. Come on. Yes, Jack. Yes, Jack. Come on. Go for it. Hey.
Oh my god.
A prima donna gasping when she see the commas, laughing to conceal the monsters. I feel like Kanye when he lost his Donda. When my father left me, you were there to heal the pain I conquered. I never pay you back for what that meant to me. Some scars stay physically, but never leave mentally. It's where were people spiritually connected, turn to enemies, and memories turn to villain origin accessories. And I'm the bad guy yet again. Spent so much time trying to find who the victim is. It's probably both of us, but neither one is giving in. So here we go again, throwing punches at each other's ribs.
Come on.
Gunshots sting like a buckshot. The pain gets deep, it's like my heart becomes a blood clot. Blood dots, you, you're unblocked. Just to get this message, hope you get it on your bus stop. And then the bus crash, your true intentions unmasked. It should have been a fairy tale ending, but you uncast. I know it hurts bad, but you know you deserve
Officially a V8
Never had the
climber.
life we once had.
Yay.
Alright, so the crimps are really starting to take a toll on me. So I decided to try pure slip of little.
No, there's a little crimp in it.
It's got one crimp in it.
One
It's
crimp.
actually bad crimp.
It's a terrible crimp.
But you can wait your feet. So.
Yeah, so I'll try this one. Ben and I made it up the other day. We didn't send it.
Forever, that's without a scar on the flesh. Wish that I was sick and didn't hit the bar.
Come on.
And spend my money time with you just to be in this debt. See you happy somewhere else while I've been filled with regret. Try to find someone
Yes,
to blame, but it's
Strong. Come on.
Get that coming.
I thought that
Yes.
That was better than the other day we were trying it. And then we have to go through this tiny little red crimp. Yeah.
That's a short somehow.
That's a really cool move. This like archer.
Oh, that goes. That was really close. I think what the beta is, Zach, is yesterday I was trying to like isolate it. What you want to do is like flop for it, but a precise flop, you know. The flop, that's a tip of the day. Activate. Come on. Yeah. Wait it. Oh, that was it. You got that.
Okay, I'm gonna try really hard on this next attempt.
Try hard.
I'm going to Zactivate, as we call it.
Come on. Yeah, Zach. Try hard, dude. Come on. Come on, Zach. Yes, come on, get that foot up. Get that foot up. Yeah. Come on, try hard here. Precision. Yes! Come on. Yes. Oh my God.
I hit the black hole so terribly.
Yeah, that was
So sharp. But,
really good activation.
yeah, I tried so hard. That was sick.
That was
Oh, let's go.
All right, pressure's on now.
Hey, well, you won.
No. I have one attempt to try and do it.
And if Ben makes it look more stylish than he went. I'm gonna bite the back of it. And you kind of shrimp it.
Can I give a fun fact? Fun fact, if you climb with Zach, he leaves the most chalk on the holds of anyone I've ever climbed with. I don't understand why.
Yeah, I have sweaty skin, so I really load up the chalk.
No, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just interesting. Like, you can see exactly where he's grabbed the holds. Yeah, you should do that in the World Cup. Like, grab the holds in all the wrong spots for the next competitor so they have no idea what they're doing.
Tip of the day, deceive your opponent. Come on. Come on, step straight. Let's go. Oh, so good. All right, Ben wins the battle because he made that look really easy.
That wasn't easy. That was hard. That was low percentage. This move is really cool. The delicate move off the small crimp.
All right, so it was a fun session training on the spray with the Ontario besties. I often visit Ontario from Montreal. It's just a quick little trip, and I'm sure we'll have more sessions with these guys in the future.
Definitely.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for having us.
Check out Jackie's YouTube channel. She's got a YouTube channel. She makes some Ontario climbing content. Go check her out.